I'm Sawyer. I built my life consciously, trade by trade, decision by decision. That's why I now earn more than 50,000 bucks plus weekly and hold a global real estate portfolio. Telegram gives you free education, free strategy practice, and my signals. Join my community and message me. Build the life you choose.
The key is precision, not greed. I don't chase, I react. If moment aligns, I strike, then vanish. The less you expect, the cleaner your decisions. That's the mindset of the scalper.
Here we're opening a sell trade and we've entered in advance. Since I noticed the moving average crossover forming. Let's highlight the working area. As I told earlier, this strategy is very simple, so we only focus on this section of the price movement. We can see an update of the local high followed by a price pullback, and then the movement continues downward. In this zone, a moving average crossover from top to bottom occurs, which is a very important signal, and that's why we open a sell trade here. Stop wasting your money on fake signals that never work. What you see online might look easy, but real trading is completely different. That's why I created a free strategy practice where you can actually see how it works in real market conditions. And for those who want to go further, there is a private VIP group with daily signals and personal support. Click the link below and claim the free strategy practice right now. Let's watch the result. I expect a downward breakout toward the end. And as we can see, the trade closes in profit. I end each day by reviewing reactions, not just results. Did I move too early or too late? That question shapes tomorrow's accuracy, because mastery isn't winning, it's understanding why. Precision is endless practice.
I never chase after a candle that's already moved. If you see the move, you're already late. I prepare before it happens. I identify pressure zones and traps. When price hits the area, I'm ready to act instantly. Preparation makes reaction possible.
Yes, here we will open a trade for an increase. A bit of risky entry, I would say, but overall, if we take into account the price dynamics, we haven't had a good pullback for quite a while during this movement. Therefore, we also look here at the moving average crossover. That is, a small support area has formed and a global price minimum was created. Here we observe a moving average crossover from bottom to top, therefore we open a trade for an increase. We will watch the result again. So far the movement dynamics completely satisfy me. Let's wait for the trade to close. The next trade closes in profit.
My process is my anchor. When the chart moves violently, I rely on routine. Routine creates peace. Peace creates precision. That's what lets me catch impulses effortlessly. Confidence is just consistency practiced daily. Trading looks simple in videos, but in reality it's a lot harder. That's why I host free practice sessions where I personally show people how real strategies work, step by step, in living trading conditions. Inside my Telegram channel, you will also get access to daily signals, a powerful strategy, and even a VIP group for serious traders. Click the link below and join the free practice session right now.